welcome back to my YouTube channel. And right now I'm at our field. You can see our field, and he's my father. And it's drizzling right now. And early in the morning it was raining cats and dogs, and that's why you can see our field looking like a small, looking like a small pound. And he is my brother-in-law, and he is leveling the field because we came here to do some work, paddy transplanting work, and that's why we are here. And some labor are working in another field. They are doing work there. They are uprooting the seedling, and after that they will come here and they will start transplanting. And so guys, I just want to tell you, like, before transplanting the paddy, we have to do many things, many work. So guys, first we what we do, seed selection. We choose good quality seeds for good crops, and we germinate the seed, and we prepare a small land for the seedling, and till the seedling grow, we start work in our main field. So these are our main field, and this side also a lot of farms field are there.
So friend, here you can see they are uprooting the seedling. It means they are pulling out the seedling.
So guys, after 20 or 25 days, when seedling grow and ready for the transplanting, till then we start work in our main field. In initial plowing, the dry or moist field plot to break the clods and loosen the soil. Once field is flooded, we start puddling. This means mixing the wet soil and water together using a tractor or plow, and it turns mud with water and make it soft. It turns the field with soft mud like this. And why we do puddling?
So guys, now you can see this is called puddling. So puddling helps make a hard layer under the soil which stop water from going deep underground. That means less water wastage and better moisture for our rice. So why is puddling important? So let me tell you guys, it retains water and control which naturally makes planting easy, saves water and increases nutrient availability. So friends, that's how we prepare our paddy field through the puddling process. Simple but super important for a good harvest.
So after puddling, we level the field to make sure the water evenly. And you can see my brother-in-law is leveling the field, and she is my elder sister, and she came with seedlings, and more labor are coming. They uprooted the seedlings, so that's why they are coming for transplanting the seedlings here. And now you can see all laborers are coming with seedlings, and they are throwing in the field, and they will start transplanting the paddy seedling here.
So finally you can see everyone have reached here for transplanting paddy seedling.
So guys, now you can see this field, and they will start transplanting, and you can see every labor came in this field and start, they started in that area, and some are throwing the seedling, and you can see some laborers, they are going to take more seedling, because you can see we need more seedling in this field, so for that they are going. And I will also go that area because my sister and my fathers, everyone are there, and so I'm going. This is my umbrella and my chola, so I'm going right now.
So here you can see my sister took fertilizer, and I will take this to that field where they are transplanting the paddy.
So guys, I'm again going that field where uh, they are transplanting paddy seedling. So I'm going that area, and my brother-in-law, you can see he's spreading. He's going there. Okay, I will go and I will show you, because I'm little far from them, and I'm taking this fertilizer from little far. That area I went, and I'm taking this. So guys, now you can see my brother-in-law started spreading fertilizer uh, in this field where laborers are transplanting the paddy, and before transplanting we spread DP. So guys, you can see this is DP, and he is my brother-in-law, and he is spreading the DP in our field, and because they will transplant the paddy in this field, so that's why.
So guys, finally I am going near to them where they are transplanting paddy seedling, and I will also work with them because I really like to do this work.
Now you can see they are transplanting the paddy, and I'm going to start transplanting now. So guys, now you can see I'm going to start transplanting the paddy. Guys, you can see this is called seedling, uh, and it's a young plant of the paddy.
So finally now I'm working with everyone, and to be honest I'm really enjoying this work, and after a long time I'm doing, but I'm not making any kind of mistake like before I was doing, like same I'm doing right now. So I'm very much happy while doing work, and while working everyone talk different things, we make a plan, and so much fun guys. So when we were walking, after 1 hour it started raining. So now you can see everyone have put on their raincoat to save themselves from the rain. And I don't know what we call it in English exactly, but in Chhattisgarhi we call it mora or parpada. And now you can see everyone is walking, and I want to tell you guys, if you walk like this in bent position for whole day, I'm not saying for some time when it's rain, but when it's rain whole day, and when you will walk in bent position like this, it's cause a back pain. And because I'm saying that because I used to have a back pain when I was walking whole day like this, and especially when it's rain, because when it's rain, we can't stand for a long time, so we used to have a walk in like this in bend position. So that's why I'm saying. So, friends, this is how we transplant paddy seedling, and we work in farm together. We enjoy together. It's a hard work, but it feeds millions. And now you heard Chhattisgarhi Dadariya song. It's a folk song, and especially we sing this song while walking in farm. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share with your friends and subscribe for more farming video like this. And if you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.